When I was promoting kibble foods and pet foods and prescription foods, I did not know. And I was not doing it out of malice.
No, right.
I was desperate to save those animals. I was so sincere. I mean, it was pathetic
just
how
didn't know.
sincere I was. I
Yep.
literally just didn't know. And I believe that that's really most of us. That's most of
At
us.
least initially. So Mark Morris, who started Hill Science Diet, he had a beautiful heart. He was a loving, caring, compassionate veterinarian. And he wanted to make pet food that truly was above the average. He strived diligently in the early part of the 19th century to make the best quality pet food he possibly could. That was his heart. However, that evolved into a multi-billion-dollar company, and of course he died and is no longer in charge of his company. And like Dr. Royal said, we'd like to trust those people in charge now, but they have marketing teams and they have promotion teams and they have, I mean, this is a gigantic industry that came out of one man's desire to make a great product. Out of that now, this is a profit-making, unbelievably successful industry. And can we honestly say that we know that they have pets' best nutritional interest in mind right now? We can't. We don't know any of those people.
And often in those companies, one hand doesn't know what the other one is doing.
Right.
So they may be saying, you know what we need? We need a pet food that takes advantage of the rabbits, the rabbit market. How are we going to do that? And then somebody else says, well, we can do that if we mix it with X, and it'll be cost effective if we do this. And maybe the fish meal we're going to put into it, well, we don't really care if there's a dachshund in it because the FDA requires that, and that would be cheaper if we do, GMO corn and put. All those things come together from a whole bunch of different places, and I don't really know who knows really what's in charge, but I think a veterinarian should. I think we should be the ones who help here, and I think it should be more important than learning the latest drug for whatever disease is out there.